Good day, futures traders. This is Rick with your futures trading coach aftermarket update for the live trading alert call room. Today is Wednesday, June 29th. I'm going to let you guys know what we had today. Today we had two small trades in gold, one small trade in crude. We had the direction right here, but we had to get out of it because the news was coming up. The crude report obviously kept going our way, but we were not in here. We took our profit and we're flat before the report, or at entry with a runner after we locked in 10 pennies or so. And that's all it made before the report there. And then in the ES, we had a nice, beautiful trade. As you can see, it went up really far from here. We were long. Most people got out around here. And then we got short here for a quick scalp here for a point. And I'm going to go through each one and every one of them right now. First trade in gold, we had two different opportunities. Some people got in at a more aggressive price of 13.27.7. I told people for a more conservative, get in at 26.7 and 26.7 on an S play, and we got into that trade. I said if it comes down, we're going to have to add. For those who had the higher price, we did add and get out of break even. Those who got in at the 26.7 made up to 10 ticks on that trade. And then I said unless it gets above there, it's going to be problematic. So it was 10 ticks or a break even on that trade. Then we hit a power play, and that was right before the end of the day, 13.28.9. And again, that one went up for about 8 ticks. Crude, again, we had a power play on crude as well. And that one made from 49.16 up to 49.16 up to 49.30, about 13, 14 pennies. And then, excuse me, I'm sorry, this was not, that was a later trade. This was at 9:06. That was at 48.51. That made up to 10 pennies on that trade, and that crude trade. And then, like I said, we had to get out here because the report was coming. It did keep going our way, but you see they flushed everybody out there anyway. So I made 10 pennies, and that was it. Most people were flat before the report. And then in the ES, we had a nice trade in the ES, and that was at 47 quarter when this green candle went up. And you'll see that one went from 47 quarter up to my target, which was 51 to 52. And that was a nice trade, about 5-6 points. And then I said there was really no material reason to get out, but this is where, there may be a little bit of a pullback here, which it was, and then it kept going. But again, after, 6 points or so, 6+ points, most people didn't have any contracts left. Those who did, I told them you can hold, go to entry, and of course you could potentially get more, but realistically up to 5 or 6 points. And then we had a small scalp here. We had a death candle trade. Told everybody, just try to get a point. This thing doesn't look like it's going to turn around right now, and we're getting towards the end of the day. So that was from 55. We made a point on that. Some people got it a little bit higher, 55 quarter, and that was a little winner there. So we did today. We're going to come back tomorrow and do it all over again. And until then, guys, have a wonderful day.